In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Drive shared folder. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save a shared folder from Google Drive to your computer as a single zip file, quickly and reliably. Start by opening the shared folder link you received. This might be in an email, a chat message, or any place someone shared it with you. Paste the link into your browser and let the page load fully. You should see the folder's name and its contents in Google Drive's interface. If the page looks like a single file or a preview screen, double-check that the link is specifically for a folder. Next, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. Look at the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. If you're not signed in, sign in with the account that was granted access to the folder. If you see a message about requesting access or the contents are empty, you may be on the wrong account, or you might need the owner to give you permission. Switching to the right account now avoids download issues later. Once you can view the folder, right-click the folder to open the context menu. If you're seeing the folder as a tile or in a list, right-click directly on its name. Using a trackpad, a two-finger click works too. On a Mac, a control click does the same thing. If you're already inside the folder view, you can right-click the folder name at the top path bar to get the same options. From the menu that appears, click Download. As soon as you choose Download, Google Drive starts preparing your folder. You'll see a small status area indicating that it's compressing the contents. This is normal. Drive bundles everything into a zip file so you can transfer it in one piece. The time this takes depends on the number of files and their total size. Large folders or lots of small files may take longer to compress. After the compression finishes, your browser will begin downloading the zip file automatically. Depending on your browser settings, you may be asked where to save it, or it might go straight to your default downloads folder. If you don't see the download start, check for a pop-up blocker notification near the address bar and allow downloads from Drive, then try again. That's it. Open the shared folder link, confirm you're signed into the right Google account, right-click the folder, and click Download. Drive compresses the folder into a zip, and your browser handles the rest. Thanks for watching, and happy downloading.